This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jana Deneau. Great location. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, located on the first floor, offers a spacious open floor plan with a lanai facing a luscious preserve. The kitchen offers quartz countertops, tile floors throughout the condo, new refrigerator, washer and dryer in the unit. Comes with a 1-car detached garage. Bay Forest, Bermuda Bay is a gated community located west of 41 in North Naples. The community offers over 2 miles of walking, jogging and bike paths, 3 tennis courts, 4 pickleball courts, 4 bocce courts, shuffleboard and a half-mile boardwalk/tiki hut and paddleboard launch overlooking the back bay to enjoy kayaking, fishing and sunsets. Close to the beach, shopping, dining, and entertainment. Information contained herein is deemed reliable but not guaranteed. For more information, review the details below or contact Jana Deneau at 239-200-1990.